Okay, Assalamualaikum and good evening everyone. I'm Muhammad Safwan bin Abdullah, matrix number 2190628. So today I will present case study presentation about depression among teenagers that divide into 3 tasks. That is, first task is Ishikawa diagram, second task is SWOT, and third task is helpful response to the 3 situation. Before I'm going to present the task, I would like to introduce what is the depressed meaning. We all have times when we feel down or sad. Depression is a feeling of sadness, despair, of hopelessness that does not go away. In someone with depression, this feeling can last for weeks or months and interfere with the person's ability to participate in everyday activities. Depression affects mood, outlook, thoughts, and behavior. It also can cause headache and insomnia. People with depression often see the world in a negative light. They can be overly critical of themselves and feel worthless and unloved. They may feel overwhelmed by small problems the rest of us take in stride. People feel like giving up, they pull away from people and drop out of activities. But this isolates them and makes them feel worse. Okay, for task 1, the main reasons Jin was diagnosed with depression was divided into 5. That is people, environment, materials, and measurement. For cause 1 method, Jin was diagnosed with depression because of always in a state of unrest and the body is tired and not getting enough rest. Then cause 2 is people. Jin was break up with her boyfriend and she feels shame on her family and friends. After that, cause 3 is environment. Jin like to be alone wherever she goes and coming home late in a sad mood. Then cause 4 is materials. Internet and social medias abuse cyberbullying to Jane. Last point in Ishikawa diagram, cause 5 is measurement. She cannot focus in her class because she focus on something else. We move into second task, that is present the best solution to avoid teenagers from using drugs to help them deal with challenge they are facing in life using SWOT analysis. The questions: how is the best solution to avoid teenagers from using drugs to help them deal with challenges they are facing in life? My answer is they must involve with the National Anti-Drug Month campaign by AADK every year. We move into SWOT. First is strength. They will increase awareness of the various layers of society, especially teenagers, about the disadvantages of drugs among teens in the fight against drug abuse. We move into second is weakness. Teenagers do not enjoy this activity because they think do not have any benefit to join this campaign. Third is opportunity. National Anti-Drug Month campaign by AADK can teach teens that the future is brighter if they can avoid from drug use and not engage in drug use in daily routine. Last in SWOT is trade. Although the program is going well, some teenagers are still unaware of the dangers of drug abuse because of peer pressure and friends. Okay, we move into task 3. For task 3, what will I do to help these people into the following situations? I will provide a short, helpful response that could help each of the person in this situation. For situation 1, a classmate has just returned to school after being in the hospital for 2 weeks to deal with a severe attack of depression. She or he is scared to come back to the class out of fear that you may stigmatize him/her for his mental health challenge. Okay, my answer is, in my opinion, my classmate just come back to school after being in the hospital for 2 weeks to deal with the severe depression. I will pretend like nothing happened because to make my classmate feel comfortable and like nothing happened. I would also ask him to entertain, like watching a movie after school, so he will forget about depression and enjoy the activities. For situation 2, a friend in your group is struggling with anorexia. Friends in the group have noticed this person's weight loss and are worried about her health. Today, all of you plan on talking to your friends. Okay, my answer for this second case is, a friend in our group had anorexia problems. We will invite him to talk and discuss why he has suffered a sudden weight loss. Is it because of depression or not? If it was because of depression, we would give him a little advice and guidance so that he feel his friend care about him and did not feel alone. Okay, for situation 3, a classmate gets severe panic attacks, especially when a big test is coming up. The teacher has announced that next Friday there will be a midterm test. You could see your classmate is already becoming worried. Okay, my answer is, in my opinion, if my classmates get a severe panic attacks, especially during the next big test, I will calm him down and ask him to study in groups. This is because I want him to feel at ease in group study because he can ask any questions if he does not understand. He will also feel confident for the upcoming exam. In conclusion, I strongly believe that more needs to be done to assist depressed on teenagers in my country. I seriously hope that the information contained in this video would be of help to the citizens and teenagers. Teenagers' depression is a grave issue, and I believe that parents, teachers, and even teenagers can use this information to help reduce and conquer the battle of depression. I do not want to see my fellow youths in Malaysia continue to suffer with depression, as it prevents them from prospering in life. Everyone deserves an equal opportunity, and no one should be limited in fulfilling their aspirations because of depressions. Thank you.